Bodycam shows scene of fatal bus crash in FL that killed 8 farmers. A Marion County deputy's body camera video shows the aftermath of a bus crash near Ocala, Florida that killed 8 farm workers and injured dozens. Many injured people were given medical assistance on the spot. Sensitive images in the video have been censored.
Critical, they're still going to be stuck inside the bus.
You know what?
We need to get this roadway shut down.
Yeah.
6567.
Okay.
Alright, we need traffic units out here. We need 40 shut down in both directions. They're going to need to get multiple EMS vehicles in here.
Where I've got several SO as well as traffic units. There are multiple fire rescue that are headed your way as well.
Thank you.
Of course. To all units on the signal 4 on Highway 40, switch over to task 1. All units on Marion and 2. Marion task 1.